Suchitra, finally, my CA Inter exams are clear. And now here I am in the city of my dreams. Now I am just waiting for the fun to begin. Articleship, night outs, road trips, and many more.
Well, Maya, don't be so happy. Have you thought where you will live?
Living here should not be a problem. There might be a lot of good PGs that can accommodate me.
Well, PGs are many, but the good PG is still the question.
Why so?
Well, tell me what you mean by a good PG.
Good PG means there should be a spacious room, good food, security, and privacy, of course.
Maya, don't you have Katrina Kaif in your list? These projections are just a dream from PG.
Well, this is not just my problem, but the problem of many. With this, now students and professionals comes from small towns to big cities to pursue their higher education and for their professional career. But the common problem they need to face is to find a place that can accommodate them. Now, in the current market situation, we have paying guest accommodations that have the following problems. Firstly, congested rooms. As and when you enter the rooms of these paying guest solutions, you have to question yourself twice. Where will you keep yourself and where will you keep your belongings? Moving forward, basic amenities such as a good bed, a good mattress, and a table and a chair are bare minimum to ask. But what you get in return is just that old metal bed that just sounds like the ghost of the Conjuring and that old mattresses that hurt your back like anything. In India, we like to have pani puri, isn't it? And when it is mixed with sweat and other flavors, we will like it more. Now, the same concept is being adopted by the prevailing solutions, from dough being prepared with food to same cloth being used to flip the chapatis and wash dishes. Moreover, the waste of these facilities are also dumped here and there in the premises itself, which in itself creates an unhealthy environment, leaving behind diseases such as dengue, malaria, and food poisoning being the common amongst them. Now talking about the food, if someday someone decides to put the food of these facilities to lab test, I won't be surprised if it turns out to be poisonous. As and when you enter the current prevailing solutions, the next time you will hear from the management is on the day when your rent is due. And when you complain about the maintenance of the facility, there is no thing like hearing of yourself. Many paying guest solutions are also running without licenses. Licenses such as trade license, FSSAI license are compulsory to obtain, but they are running without them. Security being a major issue in the current market. Now, if someday you see someone sitting inside your room and having access to your belongings, it won't be a surprise to you because anytime anyone can access your belongings because there are lack of security measures. Moving forward, now to know that these are not just our problem but the problem in a broader mass, we have conducted a survey to find out what percentage of people agree with us. The results are in front of you, with majority agreeing to us that yes, these problems are there in the market. So someone has to come forward to cater the needs of this student and professional community.
Problems are many, but to melt away your worries, we are here. The simple business solution, Homie's Ground, your second home. We are not just a business solution, but support providers to those young achievers who come with big dreams in their eyes. We are more than just four walls and a roof. The facilities which are provided by our PG are considered as luxury for others. To begin with, we provide spacious rooms with standard bed sizes, study tables, and even cabinets to fulfill all your belongings. Next up, we are caregivers. We make sure that medical facilities such as first aid kits, sanitary pads, and basic medicines are always made available. To cater your taste buds and your health, we are here with a nutritious and variable menu set which changes daily. And definitely, we accept your special requests. If our basics are making you happy, our USP, unique selling proposition, will definitely make you feel awesome. We have a dedicated infotainment room, a room with table tennis, carom boards, television set, and much more. Feel free to chill here after a tiring day at work or college. Also, this caters as a hub for knowledge. Weekly and monthly seminars are conducted here for sharing knowledge and experiences. Also, we are having a notice board in each of our facility to keep our residents updated with the surrounding information and the rules and regulations of our facility. All coming to a new city provides a lot of travel issues, and to support our residents as a token of our concern, we are collaboration with taxi drivers and auto drivers, along without whom we cannot operate in a city, obviously. So we are having the contact details in the notice board, so you can contact them in terms of emergency when Uber and Ola even fails. Just like your family, we are having your back. Next off, we are partnering with nearby hospitals and doctors so that priority ambulance services can be provided to our residents, and online consultancies too. Safety is a big concern and we take it very seriously. We are having security personals in each facility with CCTV surveillance and biometric check-ins. We also take care of fire and safety measures and anti-ragging measures. Away from home, the thing we miss the most is belongingness. How many young adults pray on a daily basis or celebrate their favorite festivals? Homie's ground is covered. We can celebrate all the festivals with great pomp and show. And also, we have an initiative of birthday celebration. Of course, we all can find 15 minutes of a day to make someone else's day special. Well, in the business model where we are catering to young adults, anything which is online is considered cool. So being a very super cool PG, we are having an online mobile application and website in making which will be launched in future. We will be catering 4 requirements in our mobile application, that is food, payment schedules, events and support. What's in the dinner for tonight? Check it at your fingertips. Just like the payment schedule mentioned here, you can track your payments when you have made the last payment to your landlord. All your issues are resolved within T+1 day, so that you are never worried about any feedback you want to give us or any queries you have. Well, the idea is quite thrilling, but do we have a market to it? Then the answer is a big yes. We are catering target consumers of students and professionals of the age group 16 onwards. Then, as per the State Government report of 2021, the market is valued at 61,900 crores. Growing further, it is valued at 1,20,000 crores by the PropTiger report of 2023. Even if we cater 0.1% of the business, we are 120 crore business. And we are definitely aiming more than just that.
Now, as and when we enter the market, let us now dive into our revenue model. Our revenue model is divided in 2 sources. Primary source being renting of rooms and secondary source being tiffin services and advertisements. In renting of rooms, in the current proposal, we are aiming to open 6 facilities in the city Guwahati itself, which will have a total capacity of 30 single-seater rooms, 36 double-seater rooms, and 60 triple-seater rooms. Our price point being 50,000 per month for single-seater room, 12,000 per month for double-seater room, and 10,000 per month for triple-seater room. With this, we will be generating a total revenue of 3.73 crores from renting of rooms itself. Moving forward, our secondary sources consist of tiffin services. We are assuming that in each facility we will accommodate at least 20 people with our tiffin services at a price point of 200 per day. With 6 facilities, this numbers comes to 120 people per day. With this, we will be generating a revenue of 86.40 lakhs. In the advertisement sector, we are targeting the institutions and professional entities. Since they have the same target consumers as ours, they will be willing to provide with us the advertisement income by publishing their advertisements in our app. With this, we will be generating a total yearly revenue of advertisement to 9 lakh rupees. Moving forward, we can see that our total expenses comes to 2.77 crores with the detailed breakup being given in the booklet provided to you. Our gross profit comes to 2.87 crores, our net profit comes to 1.94 crores, EBITDA comes to 2 crores, Per person revenue generated yearly is 1.16 lakhs. Per person expense borne yearly is 68,942. Now, after entering into the market, we will obviously face competition. We have perfectly identified our competitors from, like competitors such as NoBroker, Nestaway, Zolo are available in the market. Now, to answer the question, what differentiates us from our competitors? We have done our SWOT analysis. Our unique selling proposition being our strength. In itself, it's a differentiator from our competitor because we are catering the problems that still exist in the market after the presence of our competitors as well. Our price point and our services being the most major differentiator. Our weakness being risk margin due to human behavior. Since we are directly connected and directly proportionate with the human behavior, any changes in the human behavior will lead to the changes in our financials as well. Opportunity being an unorganized sector. Currently, the paying-guest industry is an unorganized sector and the competitors are just focusing on one or two cities. But Homies Ground is focusing on a nationwide impact to cater the needs of the students and professionals all over the world. Presently, we are focusing on India as well. Threat being business model is easy to copy. Now, business model is easy to copy. There are many PGs running, but we are also entering into it, catering the problems of these PGs itself. So, any other PG might open up, but with our unique selling proposition and the expertise of our team, we will sustain and create a longevity in the business.
Well, no business runs without its bloodline, our team. Our team is a passionate group of two. Let me give you a brief introduction of our team. I am Chitra Ajitsaya, the co-founder of Homies Ground. My roles and responsibility hold operations and customer relations, and I'm having a prior experience in family business and seasonal business of arts and craft.
My name is Mayank Ji, and I am the co-founder of Homies Ground Private Limited. I am looking after the financial aspects and marketing of the company. My prior experience being an owner of business solution in surgical equipment in MJ Solutions.
Here comes the milestones. Well, the big question, where do we want to reach? The answer is very simple, nowhere. Just your brains. Whenever you think of a PG, the answer is very simple, Homies Ground. We target to become a nationwide brand in the whole region in the PG industry. Next up, we are the revolutioner of the paying guest industry. Since it is an untapped and unorganized market, we are the pioneers of the market. Also, in numbers, we target to reach 40 cities in the next 10 years. We aim to build a community within our own PGs of different states and even different nations. With integration of technology, mobile application and a website, the ease of management and living will be obtained.
Moving forward to our projections. In the year 2026, we are assuming that we will be running at a capacity less than our full capacity. So we will be doing a revenue, we will be doing a net profit before taxes of 0.83 crores. In year 2027, we will be doing 2.69 crores. In year 2028, 4.04 crores. And year 2029, 4.72 crores. And in year 2030, 5.39 crores. All these projections are based on our scalability plans, which we are planning to do from moving from one city to the other so that we can reach 40 cities in the next 10 years.
Well said by Abraham Lincoln. The best way to predict the future is to create it. I call you up all to support in our journey to revolutionize the lives of those young achievers. We aim to be a worldwide brand in the PG industry. Whenever you think of a PG, be it in Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, Pune, anywhere, Homies Ground has you there. We are the industry standards. We set standards for different PGs. The other PGs look upon to us for the standards that should be maintained for the students to be happy. Well, Homies Ground is not just a family, it is a home to those young achievers who come to us. We are not just trusted by the students but even the parents. We provide a good family environment in RPG itself. At the end, I would just like to say that this is your second home and we definitely guarantee your family.